Hello, this is Mark from Always Soul 123. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale. Today I'm gonna do a video walk around for unusual car for us, of course. Guys, it's a 2024 Kia Soul. It's 2024. What's so special about it? Well, it does have handicap access in the back. We're gonna go through the car one by one and step by step, and then we'll end up in the back and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now we have 2024 with 20,000 miles, nice windshield, no cracks, no issues on the roof. Guys, no damages like whatsoever. I don't see anything wrong with the vehicle. No scratches, bumpers are good, headlights are good. Lots of toys inside. You can play electronic monitors and all that stuff. Everything as 2024 car should be. Now we have a nice tires. It's a white color. I'll say it's like a pearl white also. Take a look at this door. I don't see any damages on this door. Door is clean. Now we got it inside. Inside is plain and simple, but also very nice. You got a big monitor, you got electronic speedometer, automatic transmission, nice firm seats, doesn't smoke like cigarettes, it's a non-smoker, doesn't smell like any dogs, cats, alcohol, any drugs or anything that you might not like, okay? What more can I say about the 2024 car? I mean, it's a 2024 Kia Soul. It's not obviously usual stuff for us. We got this car for a reason. Now we're gonna go through this door. Door is fine. You got tires in the back lower than in the front. The fronts are one much nicer. We'll come back here. You do have like a scratch right here on the rear bumper, and of course the main thing, you got Mobility of Florida installation for the for your handicap access. Okay, it's a manual access, it's not electrical. So the way you do it, come look closer. You pull the handles right here. Okay, you pull the handles right here, and you are lowering the handicap. Take a look. If you have a family member and anybody needs it for personal use, you need a handicap access small little car, we have it. It's right here. You can do a lot of things to it. If you need to, sometimes I see people removing one seat even, so they have some access. But I think this is very affordable, fresher. Most of these handicap access on the older side. You look at these Toyota Siennas, they're like $60,000. This is going to be very affordable for you guys. If you need it, we'll ship it to you. If you're in Florida, we can even ship it to you for free, no problem. But if you need it, if you have a family member that needs it, let us know. We'll work with you for sure for you to get it, because these things are rarely you'll find any affordability. They're very expensive everywhere. We're gonna price it very well. And by the way, if you go to a website for Mobility of Florida, you see them advertised for about $34,000 to $35,000. Now, how you close it? You close it like this, and close it like this. Boom, boom. So, and it holds firm, and you close the door. Also, does have the original backup camera, so when you back it in, you could see it, okay? Once again, there's no rust, there's nothing. Guys, it's 2024 car. We'll go back to the panels. A quarter panel is nice. Rear tires are lower than the front ones. Take a look. You can open up here. You can see it, okay? Very clean. Of course, like I said, this is a very specific car. It's not like a regular handicap access minivan or something, but for a little car that somebody that does not want to drive a big handicap access van and has things to do, that's very actually that's very comfortable and very low miles. Okay, I'm gonna start the car quick. You start the car with the key, okay, like that. There's no push button start. Once again, it's beautiful inside. Take a look at the camera here, John. Take a look at the electronic odometer, you know, confirm. Touch screens, cold AC. Once again, guys, it's a beautiful unit. Of course, it's for special needs, for obvious reasons, you could see it. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna have to provide you customer service and make sure you get it if you need it, okay? Take a look at this under the hood. Once again, it's new. It's the only 2024 car in my possession in general, probably. So we don't deal with these unless it's something special like that. Guys, friendly disclosure that this vehicle is sold as is. Taxes, fees, registration, of course, not included in price. Shipping will be $1 to $1.50 a mile if you're in any other state far away from us, obviously. All your paperwork could be done remotely through DocuSign. And of course, all the payments through the wire transfer, so it's easy to communicate. Everything done through emails. We have everything consistent. If you have any questions about this vehicle specific, you need measurements. I know you do sometimes call me for the measurements of the trunk. Let us know, call us, and we will send you the email. Once again, thank you so much for watching. God bless and bye-bye.